Labelling. All open food containers should be labelled with at least the common name of the food. TCS foods prepared in-house, if not used within 24 hours, should be labelled with the name of the food and the expiration date, and can be held for a maximum of 7 days at 41 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. The count begins on the day the food was cooked, prepared, or a commercial container was opened. TCS foods prepared in-house that will be sold to customers to use at home should be labelled with the following: name of the food, ingredients in descending order, any food allergens, quantity, and name and address of manufacturer. Bulk food in self-service areas must be labelled. A label is not needed for bulk unpackaged food such as bakery products. If the product makes no claim regarding health or nutrient content, no laws requiring labelling exist. The food is manufactured or prepared on the premises, or if the food is manufactured or prepared at another regulated food operation or processing plant owned by the same person. Refrigerators must be set to keep the internal temperature of the food at 41 degrees Fahrenheit or lower to slow the growth of bacteria. Never place hot food in refrigerators, which could raise the temperature inside. If possible, store raw meat, poultry and fish below cooked or ready-to-eat food to prevent cross-contamination. Use wire rack shelves and space out food products to allow the cold air to circulate. Equipment thermometers should be placed in the warmest part of the unit and be accurate within 3 degrees Fahrenheit. Raw animal foods are stored in the refrigerator based on internal cooking temperatures. This helps food stay protected from cross-contamination. These foods include whole seafood, whole meats like beef, pork and lamb, ground or minced meat, and seafood, whole and ground poultry. The FDA Food Code recommends freezers be kept at a temperature that will keep product frozen at 0 degrees Fahrenheit to minus 10 degrees Fahrenheit, which is minus 18 degrees Celsius to minus 23 degrees Celsius. Freezers should be equipped with a thermometer inside the unit. Units should be cleaned often. Individually packaged raw meat, poultry or seafood can be stored with or above ready-to-eat foods when in a freezer. Although bacteria are generally not destroyed by freezing, parasites can be killed if food are frozen at the right temperature for the proper time. Dry storage areas should be kept at the appropriate temperature, between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, with a relative humidity of 50 to 60%. Dry storage should be clean, dry and well ventilated, and all food stored at least 6 inches off the floor. Do not store food products below chemicals or cleaning supplies, since food can easily become contaminated. Open dry food items should be labelled and stored in a sealed container for a maximum of 12 months.